day, everyone!
Today we're gonna perform slaughtering
Fabrication
and Tocino Processing. The first step in slaughtering a chicken is to find its jugular vein. As you can see, we slice the neck and drain the blood. We waited for several minutes to fully drain the blood from the chicken. Once all the blood are drained, we soak the chicken on a hot water. After soaking, we immediately remove the feathers from the chicken. Next, we carefully slice the skin to remove the crop of the chicken. After removing the crop, we flip the chicken and cut it through the vertebra to avoid contamination on the meat of the chicken. We gently remove the tissues and cut the part where the tail feather and the intestine are connected. Afterwards, we gently remove the internal parts of the chicken. These are the internal parts of the chicken. First is the head, esophagus, crop, gizzard, duodenum, pancreas, small intestine, ceca, large intestine, and cloaca. Next is the fabrication of chicken. First, we remove the legs of the chicken. Then, to remove the thigh from the drumstick, we flip the chicken and cut it through the fat line. Next is cutting off the wings of the chicken. After cutting the wings, we remove the backbone from the breast. We used a scissor to cut through the fat line and use a knife to separate them. Once the backbone and the breast are separated, we set aside the backbone. Then, we cut the breast into two. Next, we debone the parts and weigh them in preparation for Tocino processing. For Tocino processing, first, we tenderize the chicken using a mallet. Then, we cut them into smaller pieces. 1/2 teaspoon of refined salt, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Next, we mixed all the ingredients and marinated the boneless chicken breast. Once marinated, we covered the container using a cling wrap and placed it on a refrigerator overnight. On the next day, we heated the pan and fried the tocino chicken. Here's the fried tocino chicken and it is ready to serve.